Hey, this is Dave Adams, and I'm with Learn to Trade and Invest. And we had a little trading today, not much really. Even though the market was up pretty sharply early on, I wouldn't say after that it was a terribly exciting day to trade. I have a look at the chart. You can see the market. It came out fast and hard. Had I been sitting long somewhere in here, I probably would have got it, but I didn't really know it was going to do that. And then for the rest of the day, it moseyed along. There were a few moves. I kind of resorted to just scalping out 4 to 6 points on each one. I think I ended up, like for the second day in a row, up $187.50. Just trading one ES contract. I always trade just one for the room. I auto trade, a large number of other ones, but it worked out okay. It was really a lot of work though, and a lot of competing forces. These even look bigger than they are. If you look closely, these aren't the scale. You'll see they're in half points, so these moves are even smaller than they appear on the chart here. We persevered, just couldn't get any runners or anything like that going, and so consequently it might have been a little bit of a boring day to trade. This is the boomerang chart, and it's about the same. You can see, especially down here on the force index, that there was really nothing of any real consequences. The moves were weak and pretty hard to trade. And once you get into congestion, this could have been a good trade. Actually, I traded the second half of this, and I think I traded the first half of this, and then I traded a little bit of this right here. But none of the moves were very powerful, like the initial one was. So it was a bit of a challenge. I did record one trade, and it was fairly typical of the trades that we took today, and that'll follow this slide. And I just scalped out 1 point, and even that was a lot of work, to be honest with you. So but it was a representative of what went on during the course of the day. Again, our trading room is about as laid back as you get. I don't let a lot of people in. I try to keep it 10 to 15. I want everybody to be able to interact with each other and talk. And I'm not promising you that you're going to make $10 million either, because you're not. But I can help you learn to trade successfly. That's my promise. I should take that back. If you get really good, maybe you'll make $10 million. I'm not making 1,000% a month, or even 600% a month. I've had some months I think I've done 300 or 400%, but there's other months where I've done 10 or 20. I try to be pretty honest about that. It's doubtful you're going to make $1,000 a month with any regularity, and most of these other guys, they claim what they want. My focus is on technique for traders. We have a course that we go through. I just added quite a bit of new material to it, and also on traders who are having a hard time becoming successful. Love to see you. You can get a hold of us at marketing@learntotradeandinvest.com. And I hope to see you soon. This trade here never really. We were towards the end of the day. We'd hit the very bottom of the support line. I thought it might take a bounce, which it did here. You can see it's not very big. I didn't. First, it's off WebEx, and it's one of the first times I've ever used it. So, but eventually the trade went. We were just trying to get a point out of it, which was really 4 to 6 ticks was about what you could really expect to get today. Anything else retraced so rapidly that you really risked losing everything you had. I think I had 3 or 4 trades, ended up at 187, but it wasn't by any means one of the funnest days I've ever had trading. But you know what? You trade what the market gives you, and today that's what the market was offering. So we took what it offered. I'll let you watch the trade and listen to the music. Enjoy yourselves.